March, PWD President Tensong disclosed the government's ambitious plan to upgrade the Agia-Medhipara-Phulbari-Tura Ampt road to a national highway, provided the governments of India grants approval. Tensong's statement comes in response to concerns raised by Dr. Mizanur Rahman Kazi, legislator of TMC from Rajabala. Regarding the deteriorating state of the vital roadway, he shared that the significant progress had been made on Ampt road, with work nearly completed on the 32-kilometer stretch. Additionally, the ongoing projects under the North-East Special Infrastructure Development Schemes (NISITS) aims to further improve the road, potentially covering 60 to 70-kilometer stretch once completed.
Sir, I think as per my reply, I already mentioned that 0 to 32 kilometers the work is on, it's about to be completed, 32 kilometers. And then again, I've already mentioned about the projects under the scheme NISITS, that also about 32 kilometers. The work is still on, and I'm very sure about 60 plus up to 70 kilometers. Very soon, once the project is completed, the road will be okay. Therefore, from the government side, sir, we will take it up with the Ministry of Road Transport. We wanted, in fact, even to convert it into, if possible, if the Government of India agrees, into the national highway. That portion, which is very, very important, the lifeline of that western part of Garo Hills. It's so important. So we will take it up, sir, with the Ministry of Road Transport.